Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a triple chocolate cream pie. It has an Oreo crust at the bottom, a chocolate pudding pie filling, chocolate and regular whipped cream, and shaved chocolate at the top. So let's get started. To make the Oreo crust, in a small bowl add the crushed Oreos, sugar, and melted butter, and mix them together until they're combined. Add the crumbs to the bottom of a lined springform pan, or you can use a pie plate. And then pack the crumbs into the bottom of the pan using the flat side of a cup. And then place it into the fridge until it's set. And now to make the chocolate pudding pie filling, in a medium saucepan add the sugar, cornstarch, and the salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the eggs and the milk, and whisk them together until they're combined. And now you must use a whole milk for this recipe, or else the filling will be too soft. And then once it's combined, place it onto the stove and heat it over medium heat, whisking occasionally to prevent lumps. And then once it starts simmering, whisk it constantly until it boils. Then once it's boiling, keep it over the heat for 2 to 3 minutes, whisking it the whole time or you will get lumps. You don't want to take it off the heat too early or the filling will be really soft. Heating it too long is better than not heating it long enough in this case. And then after a few minutes of whisking, remove it from the heat, then add in the butter and the chopped up dark chocolate, and then mix it together until they're both melted. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Pour the filling onto the Oreo crust. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and make sure the plastic wrap is actually touching the surface of the pudding so it doesn't form a skin on top. Then refrigerate it for at least 6 hours or overnight. And now to make the whipped cream, in a small bowl add the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. And beat them with an electric mixer until it forms a stiff peaks. Add half of it into a separate bowl. And then sift over the cocoa powder. And then mix it in until it's combined. The cocoa powder may take away some of the sweetness, so you can add more powdered sugar if you like. And try not to mix it too much, because you'll continue whipping the cream if you do. Add the chocolate whipped cream onto one side of a piping bag. And then add the regular whipped cream onto the other side. Remove the chocolate pie from the fridge. And then pipe the whipped cream all over the top of it.
If
If you're using a springform pan like I am, run a butter knife around the edges. Remove the sides of the springform pan. And also remove the base of the springform pan. Using a vegetable peeler, shave a bar of milk chocolate into a small bowl. And add the shaved chocolate on top of the pie. And that's how to make a triple chocolate cream pie. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.